Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're very honored to get the director of AB Cement, Jing Taiding. Hello, how are you?
Good, nice to meet you.
Could you explain a little bit to us what is AB Cement?
So AB Cement is a foundation established in Zug, Switzerland. Our goal is to build a new cryptocurrency. This is quantum resistant. What does it mean by quantum resistant? So the current Bitcoin, for example, Ethereum obviously relies on fundamental cryptographic technology, mostly a hash function and elliptic digital signature.
Okay.
And there's a guy called Peter Shor in 1995 found an algorithm that can defeat the elliptic curve signature if we have a quantum computer. Mm-hmm. And it was more than 20 years ago. We didn't have a quantum computer at the time.
Yeah.
And there's a fast development in quantum computing in the last 20 years.
Yes.
2 years ago, 2015, NSA, National Security Agency of the United States, issued a new call to make all the US government agencies move to post-quantum technology, which means they want all the US government to use post-quantum crypto for their internet use, for their communications. And there's a call for post-quantum in November, with deadline November 30th last year, that the US government will build a new security standard in post-quantum cryptography, which means the era of quantum computing and post-quantum is coming. So what we do is, in the Bitcoin case, we'll take out the part which can be broken by quantum computer, replaced with new post-quantum algorithms, such that the new currency we'll make is called ABC. ABC stands for Advanced Binary Currency. So our new currency will be quantum resistant, meaning that if you have a quantum computer, you should not be able to break it. So that's the fundamental design.
Okay. And as we know that the talk of quantum computing has been quite popular recently.
Yes.
What do you think, and when do you think quantum computing could present in daily uses?
Okay, so this is a very tough question. So I'm a mathematician. I'm actually a professor in mathematics. Okay. So I think the more qualified people should be physicists to answer this question. But I know a little bit about it. I think the most important thing that you should know is that you should, number one, pay attention to progress in the last few years. Okay, you can see news coming up in having new technology in quantum computing. So I cannot predict exactly what it is, but there are many physicists making predictions. The range is about from 7 to 30, something like that. That people even say we cannot make it.
Yeah, 7 to 30 years.
7 to 30 years, okay? That's most like the range like that. But even people say we cannot make it. But the most important thing you should think about is that if this exists, our whole current communication system will be broken, so we have to be prepared for it.
Understand. So the theory goes is if quantum computing do come out, then it could easily break through Bitcoin and other cryptographic. Okay.
And also our current internet protocols, for example, SSL, TLS, etc.
Okay. And let's get a little bit not technical.
Sure.
What do you think about the biggest takeaway at this fabulous event at Money 2020?
Oh, I think it's very clear. The financial industry is going through a big change.
Yeah.
And I don't know what the future will be. I can see that the future will be very different from what it is now.
And it's really interesting to see Money 20 this year in Asia, especially it's their first time in Singapore, and many blockchain companies as yourself come here because it used to be more of a financial focused event. Yeah. And lastly, what would you like to say to the Chinese audience that is watching this video?
Okay, for the Taiwanese audience, I think you should pay attention to the future. I think I foresee in the next 10 years, things will be very different. Yeah. You have to be prepared for it.
Yes. Thank you so much.